In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and apply for jobs at Amazon. Let's get started on this journey to securing your next career move. First, you'll need to head over to Amazon's website by typing in amazon.com in your browser's address bar. Once you're there, the next step is to make sure you're signed into your Amazon account. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the page. This will direct you to the login page. Here, you'll need to enter your email address and then click continue. This is the first step to accessing all the features available to Amazon account holders. After entering your email, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Once you've typed in your password, click the sign in button. Now that you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the Amazon homepage. Scroll all the way down to the footer of the page. Here you will see a section labeled Get to Know Us. In that section, you'll find a link labeled Careers. This link is your gateway to exploring career opportunities with Amazon. Click on Careers and you'll be redirected to the Amazon.jobs site. Before diving into the job search, it might be helpful to check out the interview tips section under Help. Take a few moments to review this information. It can offer valuable insights that might just give you an edge in the application process. Once you've had a good look at that, navigate back to the main careers page and look for the search icon to initiate your job search. Clicking the search icon will bring you to the advanced search page where you have options to refine your job search criteria. Start by selecting a country or region from the drop-down menu. This helps in tailoring job listings to your preferred geographic area. Next, look into different categories if you have a specific department or job function in mind. If you're keen on working remotely, there's a convenient option to filter results to display remote job openings only. Simply click on Remote to see what positions are available. When you find a position that interests you, all that's left is to click on the job post. From there, you'll be guided through the application process. And that's it. You now know how to effectively navigate Amazon's website to find and apply for job openings. Take your time to explore different roles and apply to the ones that best fit your skill set and career goals. Good luck with your job search.